Hello everyone, it's Joey Giangola again with Giangola Insurance Agency, and I'm here today for another quick tip. Today we're going to be talking about what I feel is the most important thing when looking to buy individual health insurance. If I had a slogan, it would be it. And really there are only two things that you need to concern yourself with when you're looking at individual health policies. You're probably asking, well, what are those two things? They are obviously your monthly premium, or what you're going to pay. How much money do you going to owe to the insurance company each month? And two, what is your out-of-pocket maximum? How much money, in the worst case scenario, are you going to be responsible for to the hospital or for whatever the procedure may be? Those are the two things that are going to affect you the most directly as far as overall long-term big picture. The reason you want to focus on how much it's going to cost is because you don't want to buy a plan that you can't afford. Just like anything else, it is very important to find a plan that meets not only your coverage needs but also your budget needs. Because if that premium is too high each month, chances are you're not going to keep it around very long, and that might be a time where you didn't make the payment and you absolutely needed it the most. And two, how much money are you going to be responsible for in a worst case scenario? So let's just say, for instance, you landed yourself in the hospital for a couple weeks. You have a couple $100,000 worth of medical bills, and you want to know, what am I responsible for worst case scenario? That's a number to keep in mind. Plans with 0% coinsurance make that easy. Whatever your deductible is going to be your out-of-pocket maximum. So those are the two biggest things when looking for individual health insurance that you're going to want to keep in mind. Because they are, the copays are nice for the doctor's office, the copays for the prescriptions are nice, but again, you're generally spending more money on those services than you're actually getting out of the plan. And they're really, they're just bells and whistles that are very unnecessary and only really drive up the cost, and that's something that you don't want. So, of course, these are the two biggest things that I feel are important for you to consider when looking for an individual health insurance policy. Keep them in mind. I'd be glad to talk with you a little bit more about them at any point in time. But that is your quick tip for today. Of course, remember to get over to giangolainsurance.com to check out more, run your own quotes, and learn a little bit more about us. It'll be fun. I promise. That is your quick tip. Hope you enjoyed it. So long, everybody.